Welcome viewers. In this video I am going to start from question number 8 second of exercise 4.2, and this chapter is factorization of standard 9. In this exercise we are solving the sums by factorization by grouping of terms. So let's see how we'll solve this sum. Question number 8 second, x square minus x into a plus 2b plus 2ab. So I have noted the question, and now what I am going to do, because nothing is common here, so first of all I will open the bracket and it will become x square minus xa or ax plus minus 2bx, because minus plus minus 2bx plus 2ab. Now out of these two I will take something common, and out of these two, so what will that, it is x. From these two I have taken x common, so here is x and here is a, so x minus a is remaining things here inside the bracket, and from these two I will take 2b as common because x and a are not common. So in first term x will left, and at second term a will left, and minus sign because minus minus plus plus. So now we have to check that both the things are similar or not. Yes, both are same thing, so we'll take x minus a as common, and this is x minus 2b. So these are the two factors, and this is the reason why this is called as by grouping of terms. First of all we have made two groups of two different numbers, then applied first method, that is taking common. From these two we have taken something common, and then from these two we have taken the common, and then out of these two groups something is common, then we reach to our answer that we got two different factors for the given algebraic expression. Now question number 9. First we will solve, this is AB. Okay, so the question AB into x square plus y square bracket close minus xy within bracket a square plus b square. So let's start the sum. I'm going to open the bracket. First of all, AB x square plus AB y square minus, here is a square xy and there is b square xy. Now I want to shuffle these numbers. How? So here is AB and this is a square xy, okay, and this is AB y square and b square xy. Y square terms, y terms, x terms. So let's see how we can do it. AB x square minus a square xy plus AB y square minus b square xy. Okay, so out of these two and these two, what is common here? A is common, x is common, then what is left here? Bx, and here ay. I hope it is clear. What I have taken common? Ax. Okay, so x left, b left, and here one a and one y. And out of these two, what we can take common? B and y. Yes, by is common. Then what is remaining thing? Here one a and one y is here, and here b and x. Okay, now first part is done. First of all, what we have done, we have rearranged the numbers, we have tried to assemble like terms. Then we make two different groups. Out of first two groups we have taken something common out, in second group taken something common factor out. Now when I was trying to cross check that all the numbers and signs are same or not, we found that signs are opposite. Here bx is with plus, here bx is with minus, here ay is with minus, and here ay is with plus. So as I told you in previous videos also, what we will take minus common, then the sign will be changed. No disturbance in first term. Okay, ax, copy it as it is, and we have taken common minus, so minus and plus is minus, and it will become by, this will become minus ay, and that will bx. Now if you will see carefully, both terms are same. Let me arrange, then you can easily understand that yes, both terms are same. Inside the bracket, first of all I will write bx and then minus ay. There is no difference between these two terms, only arrangement of numbers has done. Now see, bx minus ay and bx minus ay, both are common, so we will take bx minus ay final number which are common. And what is remaining thing here? Here is ax, this is outside the bracket, and here this one is outside the bracket, so remaining thing is minus by. This is our answer. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Very soon I will come to you with my new video. Till then, bye bye.